Chandrayaan-1, India's first mission to moon, was an unmanned spacecraft weighing 1,380 kilograms along with 11 scientific payloads built in India, UK, USA, Germany, Bulgaria and Sweden. The mission comprised an orbiter and an impactor. Launched successfully by the Indian Space Research Organisation on 22 October 2008, the spacecraft was designed to study the moon orbiting around it at a height of 100 km from the lunar surface. The main objectives of the mission were to conduct various scientific experiments by the use of instruments on the spacecraft to yield data for studies. Prepare a 3D atlas of both the far and near sides of the moon. Provide high-resolution chemical and mineral imaging of the entire surface of the moon. Gather information about lunar volatiles by observing X-ray spectrum in the energy range of 10 to 200 keV. Detect the presence of water on the moon. On 14 November 2008, MIP, Moon Impact Probe, was separated which struck the lunar south pole in a controlled manner, and India emerged as the fourth country in the world to hoist its flag on lunar surface. After almost a year due to several technical issues and contact failure on 29 August 2009, the ISRO officially declared the mission over. Chandrayaan operated for 312 days against the planned 2 years but was successful by achieving 95% of its planned objectives. Chandrayaan-1's greatest discovery was the widespread presence of water molecules in the lunar soil. Chandrayaan-2 is the second lunar exploration mission developed by the Indian Space Research Organisation after Chandrayaan-1. It consists of a lunar orbiter and formerly included the Vikram lander and the Pragyan rover, all of which were developed in India. The main scientific objective is to map and study the variations in lunar surface composition, as well as the location and abundance of lunar water. The spacecraft was launched from the second launch pad at the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Andhra Pradesh on 22 July 2019 at 9:13 और 12 second UTC by a LVM-3M1 rocket. The craft reached the lunar orbit on 20 August 2019 and began orbital positioning maneuvers for the landing of the Vikram lander. The lander and the rover were scheduled to land on the near side of the moon, in the south polar region at a latitude of about 70 degrees south on 6 September 2019. However, the lander crashed when it deviated from its intended trajectory while attempting to land on 6 September 2019. According to a failure analysis report submitted to ISRO, the crash was caused by a software glitch. The Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, scripted history as Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft made a soft landing on the surface of the moon Wednesday evening. Chandrayaan-3 was launched on 14 July 2023. The lander and rover landed near the lunar south pole region on 23 August 2023 at 18:02. The Vikram lander made the soft landing at 6 p.m. and 4 minutes, ending the disappointment over the crash landing of the Chandrayaan-2 lander 4 years ago. With the mission's success, India has become the first country to land a spacecraft in uncharted territory near the lunar south pole. In fact, India is only the fourth country in history to complete a soft landing on the moon after the United States, the Soviet Union and China.